Let's talk about the epithelium of the alveoli. There are two types of epithelial cells which line or form the wall of the alveoli. Type 1 are the flattened epithelial cells called squamous pneumocytes that have cytoplasmic extensions about 0.1 to 0.3 micrometers thick and have no microvilli. In some areas of the basal lamina on type 1 cell is fused to the capillary endothelium, which are possible areas of gas exchange. In type 2, the large alveolar cells are called granular pneumocytes, and these are cuboidal without broad cytoplasmic extensions and occupy about 5% of the alveolar surface. So let's take a look at this picture and see if we can see some differences. First big difference, or the main big difference, is that with type 2 pneumocytes we have surfactant, and surfactant stops the lungs from collapsing. So let's talk a little bit about that. This is a stabilizing surface active material and consists mainly of the phospholipid lecithin. And surfactant is crucial to lung function. It's highly viscous, and it has a low surface tension which stabilizes the diameter of the alveoli, preventing collapse after expiration while retaining residual air in the alveoli after each breath. Because alveoli are already partially open, energy expenditure in subsequent inspirations is much less. And acting as a detergent, surfactant facilitates the removal of amniotic fluid from the lungs at birth before the first breath. So when you have a child that is premature and the lungs have not produced enough surfactant, which can cause some problems, and perhaps you would see the lungs collapse. Now we also have dust cells, and dust cells are here. They are macrophages, and they usually lie free in the alveoli and air passageways. Their role is to clear the lungs of invading bacteria and inspired particulate material, e.g. dust and common particles, carbon particles. So let's summarize what we've learned, and we can just say that the hugely branching respiratory tree results in a massive surface area for gas exchange, and as the lumen decreases, so do the cartilage, cilia, epithelial height, and mucus. And smooth muscle controls the diameter, but with asthma you have a narrowing, and surfactant is thick, as in polycystic fibrosis, which is a female hormone disorder.